Amcrest IP2M-863EW-AI-V3, an honest review of its zoom, night vision, AI, and real-world setup. Ever stood at a window at night, straining to see who just pulled into your driveway? That fuzzy, guessing game feeling is exhausting. A friend of mine missed a package theft because her old camera only showed dark, blurry shapes. Frustrating, right? Take a second and think about your own setup. Does it actually show you what matters, or just shadows? That blurry footage isn't just annoying. It quietly drains you. Hours vanish reviewing grainy clips, hoping to catch something useful. One property manager told me he lost an afternoon rewinding tape after a fence was cut, only to find nothing usable. It stings. Somewhere between the guesswork and the wasted hours, there's a calmer way to see what's happening outside. This is where the Amcrest IP2M-863EW-AI-V3 changes the picture entirely. Don't just pick any outdoor PTZ camera. Make sure it has genuine long-range optical zoom, so you avoid the blurry, pixelated footage everyone complains about. With true 25 by optical zoom, continuous 360-degree pan, and long-range infrared night vision, you get real identification, not guesswork. Built-in AI quietly flags people and vehicles before they become a problem, while PoE Plus keeps installation clean and simple. One site manager nearly missed a compliance deadline until she zoomed into archived footage from her desk and confirmed a delivery in seconds, saving her entire afternoon. That's the difference. Weatherproof IP66 housing means it keeps working through storms, wind, and heat without flinching. Searchable playback means you stop digging through hours of useless footage just to find one moment. Two-way audio and a built-in siren add another layer of confidence when something feels off at night. Stick around, because there's a small setup trick coming up that most owners never discover, and it makes night footage noticeably sharper. Once it's mounted and running, the workflow just feels lighter. A security analyst put it simply: the 25 by zoom and onboard AI make it a serious tool for perimeter defense, not just a glorified webcam. A smart home reviewer added that setup through the Amcrest View Pro app was straightforward, with remote PTZ control working flawlessly. One industry roundup rated it 4.3 out of 5, praising smooth PTZ movement and strong night vision. A real owner described the PTZ speed as incredible, saying it finally gave their system something missing for years. Honestly, watching it swing from a wide view to a tight, identifiable zoom is oddly satisfying. Now, some buyers worry a 2-megapixel sensor sounds outdated next to 4K models. Fair concern, but paired with true optical zoom, distant detail holds up better than digital zoom 4K cameras that just enlarge pixels. Quick question: how much time have you lost squinting at grainy playback? See why so many property managers refuse to run a perimeter without one now. Between searchable playback, AI alerts, and a sturdy build, daily monitoring stops feeling like a chore. It becomes routine, and that shift from reactive stress to calm oversight is what people notice first. At the end of the day, clear footage just makes life easier. One buyer said switching felt like trading guesswork for real confidence. Join the many property owners already seeing steadier, reliable monitoring across driveways and perimeters. Results may vary depending on your setup, but core benefits, real optical zoom and dependable AI alerts, hold up consistently. No pressure here. It's a practical upgrade worth considering. If steady, long-range visibility sounds useful for your property, click the link below and see how the Amcrest IP2M-863EW-AI-V3 fits your setup today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.